What up, YouTube? It's the Food Gang. We're coming back with another video. And what today we're going to be doing, we're going to go downtown. We're going to do like an air horn prank on people and try to get their reaction. And don't forget about like the Minty Pickaxe giveaway that we just did. Yeah, we chose one of our winners yesterday. It was
Chris, one of our friends. We gave it to him because for his birthday on November 9th, we went to the mall. He went out shopping. And he went to like 3 different GameStops and he couldn't find the Minty Pickaxe. They weren't giving him out no more. So we just decided to give it to him.
Yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and comment like why you guys want the Minty Pickaxe. And we're going to be choosing our winner on Friday. Don't forget, turn post notifications on. Alright, you guys. Chris right now is in front of us. So, we're finna go over there and try to scare him with the air horn prank. He doesn't know that we have it. He doesn't even know like what we're doing today. So yeah, we're going to try to get him. Hopefully it's a success. Let's do it. He's right there. Gonna scare him. See what he does. Hopefully he gets scared. It's way too fast.
Did he come out sick? No. This morning, there's stuffing a fucking card through my hair. And I fucking line through it.
They were what?
They're swiping their card.
Slow down.
They were swiping their card?
The card. Ow.
I thought he didn't get scared.
My fucking ears hurt now.
It's loud, huh?
Yes. My turn, you that shit.
You gotta save it.
For the video today. You guys, we're gonna scare a guy right here in front of us. We got this. What happened?
Bro, you can't keep it up.
Alright, you guys. Right now we just got chased because we tried to do something right now. And when we
So
were
we
running,
got chased by the guy in the
and the guy was chasing us
previous
and he told the
video
cops,
you saw.
"Officer,
Yeah, he
get
got mad when we
those
blew
kids,
the
get
air
those
horn,
kids."
and when we were running, there
And we
was
started
a
just running.
police officer right there.
So now we gotta try
He's
to keep
like,
it like a little
officer,
bit
get
low-key
them,
now.
and we just
We're not gonna try to like
ran.
do it to everybody we see, cause who knows what the cops can do. Alright, you guys. Alright, now we're gonna go try to find someone so we can get. Hopefully we can get someone to chase us.
Yeah, and and then you film like somewhere else. That way I can run. Like not how it happened right now. And we all ran, and I didn't get it recorded.
You guys, make sure you guys comment down below like what we should do next. Like anything. What other videos, anything. And don't forget, go follow him on Instagram. FTP Perks. Alright, we're finna go. We're gonna go find somebody. Alright.
3 fucking accounts, 4 fucking accounts.
You were laughing at
What thing?
when we were doing that.
Go follow him on Instagram too. You guys, I didn't get to record what happened because at first he was looking at us. And then he said,
I got AirPods on.
Yeah.
Flex on me.
he was trying to flex on us.
He said, good thing I got my AirPods on.
He said, good thing I got my AirPods on. Trying to flex. Alright. That was kind of a foul.
You think he'll catch us?
But we're gonna try to get someone again. We're gonna try to get someone again. But it's kind of getting dark, so like it's gonna be like bad. Like getting kind of dark here now. But we're gonna try to get someone else. And like make sure you guys comment down like what we should do. Any pranks, anything. Any of us.
Alright, though.
Should I get her? Should I get her?
Who? Yeah. Alright, we're finna get someone else. We got that guy right there, but that's not who we were trying to go for. That's alright. So you guys, right now, I just snuck into the movies. They didn't see me, so I'm gonna unlock the door for Chris and Milton. They didn't see me. Yes. Woo. I'm just gonna go unlock it first. Damn, they didn't catch me. I'm too slick. Alright. And there they are. Let's get it. We got them for free. For free. What movie we gonna watch? Yeah. Alright, we'll catch you guys in a little bit. We'll probably have some more people. Let's see if we're gonna do it, boys. He makes it across, I get him a Kit Kat.
Do it.
Do it for a Kit Kat. Damn! So right now we're coming out of the soccer stick resort, and we blew the horn, and then this guy came up to us. He said, "So you better stop blowing it, or I'll shove it up your ass."
That's why we're gonna go get him.
And then I did it again. He came up to me, and he's like, "You think that shit's funny? You think it's funny?" And I was like, "What? You're not gonna do nothing." And so right now we're gonna go find him, and Milton's gonna blow it at him again, so he gets funny. We're gonna get it on tape now.
Ready?
All right. We're gonna do it right now. All right. We have him right there. Come on, we're gonna run. Because he said we're gonna shut up over our options. Alright, come on, you guys. Right now. Look, do it again. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't nothing. Yeah. Dude, I wasn't recording.
Bro.
Just play.
Oh, bro, I'm like a good kid.
I got him. He ain't nothing. He's only doing this to us because we kids. But I bet anything, if we was grown adults, at probably his age, he wouldn't do nothing. He was trying to act all cool in front of his kids or something. But you already know we got him. We got him, boys.
Yeah.
Foosboy's up next. Yeah.
I thought he jumped the wall and started chasing.
Nah.
How low is that?
We got him. We had it all on tape. He ain't nothing. See?
Should we get to
we
him?
needed that for the video. Nah. Just leave that little nigga alone. We got him. Ain't nothing. Look at them, they running. Too easy, boy. Ain't nothing.
Bye.
Alright.
Bye, beautiful
Too easy.
time.
Alright, well, that's gonna wrap up our video today. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure, don't forget about the Minty Pickaxe. Don't forget about that. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, And the Minty Pickaxe, like, go follow him on Instagram at TP Perks. DM him like why you guys should get it. And like we said, we
I'm gonna pop up my Instagram like right here on the screen again.
yeah, and we just gave away the Minty Pickaxe today to him. And today was crazy. Today was crazy. We got Chase. And well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Foosboys up next.